So I'm just about to finish out a little area up here. I've got a couple pieces to fit up here, and this is just going to be a small storage area. A nice piece of 1/2 inch fits underneath the rubber, and then this piece is going to go right in here. That's going to finish us out to our first set of cabinets. The only thing is, up in here, can't really see it too well, but up in here, of course, we have a little bit of the unfinished van sitting right here with the insulation showing through. So I've cut a small strip, and it's going to go right in here. It'll have a little bit of a bend to it, not too much. And then, oh, actually goes this way up. Anyway, I got this piece here, and it's going to go up in here, and then I'll stain it the blue. But what I was going to show here, like I said before, I always like using scrap pieces. So for backing to put a screw into, you can always cut a small piece and tuck it up inside here. So it's just big enough to catch on the inside, and when you put your screw in, it'll pull tight. There's a couple of spots up underneath where if I push my insulation back, I have a nice little square piece. It'll fit right up into there, and I can then put my screw right into there. And there's our piece there. So that'll come out of there and get stained blue. And then we'll reinstall it with the rest of that shelf in the next day or so. So today we were installing the over-the-door storage unit. So we used a little bit of silicone to install it to the ceiling, a couple of brad nails. And then where I put those blocks of wood the other day, I used a couple of screws just to hold the bottom in over top of the door. I'll put some blue or black down in that corner, but once there's a few things in there, you won't notice. Anyway, that's ready. Done a little bit of work on our first overhead cabinet of the 3, and we'll take that down soon and get it stained up and get some lacquer on it as well.